Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make money without any kind of investment. This is going to be PayPal money just using your cell phone. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can make PayPal money. Yes, PayPal money just using your cell phone. You do not need to invest anything. But let me tell you something. You need to put the hours if you want to make money online with this strategy. But if you want to know what's my number one recommendation, and I mean, you are going to be making passive income, making money while you travel, while you're sleeping, while you're spending time with your family, I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. Now, let me show you. Okay, this is going to be a website called Italki. I'm not sure if I'm mispronouncing it. Maybe, yes. Anyways, this is a website in which you are going to be teaching people your language. Okay, if you're a native English speaker, you can teach English. If you speak Spanish, Japanese, French, it doesn't matter the language, you can become a teacher. Okay, you can become a teacher. One of the coolest things is that there is no actual require, so you don't need to be a professional teacher. You just need to have internet connection, a computer or a cell phone, and of course PayPal, so you can receive the money. That's it. Okay, this is a platform that is gonna actually connect you with your student. As you can see, it's gonna be anywhere, anytime. You don't have a commitment like, okay, this is gonna be your schedule, so you need to agree to it. No, you're gonna teach in your time, in your spare time, or if you want to do it, you can do this full time. Okay, the students, they're going to choose a teacher. I'm going to show you in a moment how you are going to become a teacher. Okay, if you're available, they're going to pick you. They're going to start a conversation with you. And as I told you, this is not like a technical way to speak the language. No, it's just an easy and friendly way in which you're going to be connecting with a person who wants to improve their English. So you're not going to be teaching grammar. You're just going to be talking with the person. That's it. Okay. Here are all the languages that they're teaching right now. It's going to be English, Chinese, but the Mandarin Chinese, French, Spanish, Portuguese, German, Japanese, Korean, Arabic, Hindi, Italian, and Russian. And there are other teachers here. Okay. So as you can see, if you speak one or more languages, you can qualify. Okay, if you just speak English, that's okay. You don't need to put like a certificate. Okay, I'm gonna show you that in a moment. If you want to become a teacher, you're gonna click here where it says become a teacher. You see, really easy, right? I know. So here is it. You're gonna land on this page. Before starting, check the following information. We recommend that you read everything in detail. Once you have all the answers and material you need, you can start your application. Okay, here is the application process. Okay, they're gonna show you exactly how to become a teacher, and here's how you're gonna become a teacher. Okay, there are two types of teachers. Actually, the first one is the professional teaching profile. Okay, if you have a certificate, okay, right, you are a professional teacher because you have experience, you have a training as an educator. Okay, so you can submit your application, all your papers that show that you have actually this kind of experience or you are already certified. Okay, as you can see here, you need to apply if you want to become a professional teacher. You just must upload documents showing your training and experience as an educator. Or you can be a community tutor, right? A community tutor are friendly, helpful, knowledgeable, and use their time to provide students with conversation practice. This is what I told you at the beginning that you're not going to be teaching grammar, okay? You're not going to be teaching grammar. But anyways, depending on which type of teacher you want to do, you want to go and apply for, you need to be native or advanced. Advanced is like C2. I know there are like 3 qualifications. No, more than one. It's A1, 2, and 3, B1, 2, and 3. I don't know. There are some kind of regulations. But C2 means that you are a really advanced user on the language, okay? So if you're native, you are not going to have any kind of problem, right? If you study another language and you feel like, hey, I can be in touch with people, I can have a conversation with a person, I can correct them whenever they do some kind of mistakes. And I'm not talking about grammar, like, hey, maybe they use the wrong verb, the preposition in the wrong place, And again, you need to have a reliable internet access because you're going to be in touch with people. As you can see, the internet speed is pretty low. It's 2 megabytes per second, right? How you're going to be in touch with your students? Well, their platform is currently connected right now with Skype, with Google Hangout, FaceTime, and QQ. I really don't know what QQ is, but maybe you know. So here, all the software and how they're going to work in the device, right? You need to have an external microphone or webcam. If you have a laptop, you already have that. If you have a cell phone, you already have that. Okay, you create your profile. You need to complete the teaching application, right? And let me show you something really important, okay? Something that you need to take into consideration. What about your display name, okay? It needs something acceptable according to their guidelines, okay? According to the guidelines, you can be Mr. B. In my case, it can be Mrs. D. Teacher Mary, Chen Yufei, or Katie. Katie are all acceptable, but you are not going to be like TOEFL teacher, okay? You cannot use that. You cannot be unprofessional and says like anime 451, which is actually very funny, or English tutor, okay? Please do not use a name that distinguish from others, okay? So you need to have a profile picture. It needs to clearly show your face. You cannot use like a cartoon or logo. Choose the accurate languages that you actually are going to teach. Write an introduction. You're going to tell something about yourself, right? You might include your approach to teaching and language learning, as well as some interesting information about you and your background. You're going to be doing a video introduction. I'm going to show you about the video introduction in a moment. And the documents, if you are really going to go with the professional tutor or teacher because you already have some kind of experience or you have a certificate, okay? If they accept you, which is the application is really easy, you just need to choose the hours that you're going to be available, your lessons and prices, and your lesson package and trial lessons, okay? So which are the languages? Well, I already showed you before. Let me recap. It's going to be English, Chinese. In this case, it's going to be Mandarin, French, Spanish, Portuguese, German, Japanese, Korean, Arabic, Hindi, Italian, Russian. Okay. What about the video that I mentioned before? They do have a guideline to the video. Okay. So they already reviewed several videos and they have videos showing you, right? Some examples here. First of all, you must appear in camera. Remember that you're going to be talking with these people in front of camera. Okay. It's going to be a really short video introducing yourself. Okay. Between 1 to 3 minutes. You must speak all the languages that you're going to list as native or C2. So if you're going to apply, let's say for English, Chinese, and Spanish, you need to put them all in your video. Okay, you do not need to provide your contact information. Okay, do not advertise or promote other services in your video, and do not use copyright music or any media for which you are not authorized. Right? And do not shoot vertical or square videos. It needs to be horizontal. Okay. Here are some good ways to film. Right here, they're telling, for example, you need to shoot it horizontal, put your camera or mobile phone on the level with your eyes and look on the camera. Put your camera mobile phone on a stable surface, so you need to have like a tripod. Okay, so here are the guidelines, so it's really easy to do your video. All right, so this was the application process, what type of teacher are they looking for, the video, you have your teaching certificates. The only thing that you need to click right now is here where it says start your application, and you can create your account or you can link the account to your Facebook profile. Okay, they're gonna review your application and you're gonna get an answer in less than 48 hours. Remember, this is a way in which you can make money online. This is PayPal money. That's how you're gonna get paid, but you need to put the hours. Okay, if you want to learn more about this, you can go to YouTube and you can type Italki or Italki. I'm not 100% sure how do you pronounce it. Okay, if you want to apply, you're gonna go to italki.com. By the way, on YouTube you can find a lot of information, like how you can get more students, how you can record a really professional introduction video, so there is a lot of information. If you're interested about teaching your language, go to italki.com. But remember, again, you need to put the hours. But if you want to go ahead and check out my #1 recommendation, because maybe you're interested in passive income, I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. This is it for this video. If you find this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to help me. It's going to help my video. It's going to help my channel. If you have some comments, if you have some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.